It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello. Help me. It's the most.
I miss you, Daddy. I miss you, Daddy. Give me a kiss. Okay, take it off, take it off. I love you, Daddy. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, how many is it? 45?
Sorry?
Yes,
No, darling, you give me cigarettes. I need money or a card.
There's a thing. Remember that.
Me.
I go first.
I go first.
It's Keely, I'm watching you. Hello.
Kaylee, where are you?
Number 16.
No, mate, someone's talking to me. Mate, come here. No, come here. Mate, you're fucked off. Say hello then. Hello.
Hello, number 26 and number 9.
What the f*** are you? Is she really serious? What the hell? Wait, I'm gonna punch this.
Get in and shut the door.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Oh, what? He's got chalk on his nose and on his ear, but we've had a good night.
What is looking up? Right?
Jeffrey?
You see? Good job when you got this on.
I saved his home there, but it's fast to dry, which is a good thing.
Are you serious then?
Yeah, your hair stuff, watch out.
Well done, Damon, well done.
Do all that way. We've got him on this.
You're right. Wow. That hurt.
where are you going?
Go for a walk. Keep his fit on that.
To the club, I'm guessing.
Leave it. Come on. Gone out front.